Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Bully Scholarship Edition game. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the control settings. So let us begin right away. First of all, open up the Bully Scholarship Edition game on your device. And once you open it up, within the main menu, you will only see the story, the video and the quit game option. So if you wish to change your controls, you will need to start a new game or load any of your previous saved ones. Once your gameplay begins, you can now press the escape button to go into the pause menu, and you will now see the controls section. Just enter the control options and this will now show you the controls for your keyboard. And if you have a joystick that you have connected, you can also change the controls for this. Just press the Alt button to choose any option while highlighting in order to select it and change the control. Then once you see the question mark icon, you can simply tap on your preferred button, and this will now be set as your desired key for your chosen action. You can change the controls for all of the parameters within the game, and once you are done, you can go back and continue playing with your chosen settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings within the Bully Scholarship Edition game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.